Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews. We're at Southaven RV and Marine right here in Southaven, Mississippi. Now, we're going to check out this Brinkley, but you can also buy a boat here. I'm just going to point that out. But today we're going to look at a 2026 Brinkley Model I 23X. So let's get started. The length on this Brinkley is 26 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 5,991 with a hitch weight of 591. GVWR is 7,495.
Yeah, guys, so I mean, potentially this is going to be half-ton towable, you know, if you got a nicely equipped truck. So if you're looking for a couple's camper and you want a Brinkley that you can tow around.
Now, you said the correct word.
Potentially.
Always check your numbers.
Always check
there you
your
go.
numbers.
Just want to check that out.
Yes, don't just assume. Always check. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Now, you're not always right.
I'm almost always right. I'm smarter than the average bear.
There you go.
Anyway, all right, we're going to start up here at the front. This is going to give you a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles are going to go under this cover, and of course your batteries will mount right back there. Now, this is going to give you manual stabilizers. This is their Model I, so this is actually Brinkley's kind of entry level, if you call anything from Brinkley.
Entry yeah.
Level, I know.
I mean,
so I mean, if you guys are looking for something that's going to feel really nice and sturdy, come check them out. Like you said,
this is the first time we've got to do a Model I.
A Model I, yes, it is. So hey, yeah. So if you guys want an RV or a boat, or an RV and a boat,
yeah,
come up here. This is the place to come. So here on your pass-through storage, pretty decent size storage on it. It's not huge, but it'll get the job done. All your connections are going to be in here. Like I did point out, it is manual stabilizers. You are going to have sewer caddy right there, and this is going to give you a slim rack slide system. We're going to come down the side. Now, we are in their showroom, so we're a little bit close to the one next to us, but that means we are not outside sweating, which is great.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Let's see, got a dump area under there, so just keep that in mind. You may have to hook everything up before you run your slides out. Back here on the back. All right, well, we got a pole here in our way. But you see that you're going to have a really nice ladder to access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera, and you're going to have a receiver hitch down here that is for an accessory rack, not for towing. But look at this nice big awning you've got. We don't know the size on it.
No, I didn't get the tape measure.
But no, the camper itself is it's going to be, I'm just going to guess. I'm going to say 18. We'll find out. Okay.
No, we'll find out real time.
We're not, yeah, this is not going to be an exact measurement. It's going to be real close.
16 and a half.
Oh, I was off. Okay.
What'd you say?
I said 18.
Nope, 16 and a half.
Okay,
That's
16 and a half.
about what I got.
Well, anyway. And in case you really want to know, this is going to give you the Road Armor suspension under there. Coming down here, let me show you the other side of this pass-through storage real quick. So, very nice. You see that it is inverter prep, and your battery and solar and cap lights are all going to be out here. All right. Let's go in and take a look.
And I do believe Brinkley does the Asdale sidewalls. It's not on here, but I do believe they do.
Yeah, I don't see it on the side. All right, real quick, let's give you a
I don't know. Phil, let me know.
quick look around here. Now, as you can see, this one is a model that is all open. But Brinkley is a little bit wider than some of the other floor plan. This floor plan that we've seen from other manufacturers, so it's going to give you a little more room in here. Up here in the nose, you are going to have a standard queen size bed. You have got some amazing storage all the way around it. You're going to have hanging on both sides, a drawer, then there is going to be an open space at the top of that, and then cabinets up here. Your duct work for your AC unit is going to be right there at the foot of the bed, so you can turn those little vents to blow, and that's going to be amazing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Chairs are going to store back here, and you're going to see the table system in just a minute that I think is just going to be quite nice if you have not seen their table system before. 4 drawers of storage at the foot. That is just, why don't more manufacturers do stuff like this? You know, it makes sense to put storage there. Okay, anyway, you are going to have one of your heating vents right there at the foot of the bed. Again, this is a regular queen size bed. You're going to have a curtain here for a little bit of privacy. Now, coming around here, I'm going to have a seat up here at the top. You're going to have a 40-inch TV. It does swivel around, so if you want to watch TV from bed, you're able to do it. Nice big window. It's going to look right over your campsite. Good storage underneath. And then this table. I know some people will say, well, where on earth are we going to sit and eat? Well, look at this. It'll pull right out. You've got a storage drawer. Your chairs are under the bed, so they store up out of the way. You can use this for your meals, or to work, or to do homework, or play cards. Take your pick. Do what you want.
And then when you don't need it, I mean,
just pick up on it a little bit, slide it right back up in there.
And it kind of blends in with the rest of the cabinet.
Yeah. So it's not like it's obvious that there's something there.
Wow.
Very well done. Now, turning around, this is going to be on your slide. You do have looks like a sleeper sofa there, so you're going to have a little extra sleeping space. I love that they give you the integrated pleated shades. So these blackout shades are going to be really nice for people like me who like to sleep when it's dark. Plug in here, light switch for your lights. And this is just an amazing storage area. This is just as you come in the door. Your controls are going to be right up top, and of course they're going to be covered. You have a hanging area there. I mean, just all kinds of storage. Really super nice drawers. Your fuses are going to be down here. They're going to be covered up, but you're still going to be able to access them with the slide in. Now this one is going to give you one AC unit. This is an all open unit, so you have the one AC and it is ducted throughout. So, nice. Now, being the Model I, it does not give you a flush floor slide, but the slide goes way back, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. As we move into the kitchen area, this is being your pantry area. It does have a plug-in back there, so if you have an appliance that needs to be plugged in, you can put it in there. I would suggest unplugging it when you travel, though. Just
speaking of plug-ins, there is a plug-in on the other side of where that table is.
Okay, let me see if I can find it.
You know, when you said, you know, use it as a desk,
yes.
there is a plug-in.
Yes.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Then you're going to have this 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer at the bottom, and the door will open from either side. Do not open it on both sides at the same time. It'll fall off. We have found that out the hard way.
Yeah. Turn it off.
Yeah.
Good
Moving
night.
into your kitchen, they actually give you a really big microwave. Is this a convection oven? Yeah, convection. Yeah. So yeah, they do this because they don't give you an oven. So that, you know, if an oven's important for you, just keep that in mind. But you do have a convection microwave, a huge 3-burner cooktop, actually really nice cooktop. There's not going to be solid surface in here. That does keep the weight and the cost down on this one just a little bit. But you have some really well done storage in here. Pull out garbage can. Brinkley, again, I think was the one who kind of come up with this great paper towel trick, and everybody else has copied it.
Yeah.
Copycats.
Copycats.
But that's okay, we like it. Then at the very back is where your sink is going to be. Again, more storage. I mean, This is a small unit. Yeah, that's an access panel down there. But small unit, but I mean, Brinkley just really knocks this one out of the park with their storage. It is just really nice. And then this is in a little indented area, so if you have sponges or scrubbies or things, they'll slide down in that.
Toothbrushes?
I guess you could put your toothbrush in here if you want to. That's a little weird.
Okay.
But big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet, pull-down sprayer, and then they give you a window.
I love this window right here.
Yes, and it opens, so if you're backed up at a lake, you might not have just a huge view, but you'll still be able to see. In case people are wondering, you can stop and zoom in there if you need to. Okay. We don't give prices because we don't work here, but
we don't get no commission off of it.
We do not. Oh, before we move into the bathroom, love these hooks here. So they give you a set of 3 hooks right up there. Now the bathroom. Again,
oh wow!
A lot of times this particular floor plan is going to skimp on the bathroom back here, but I mean, hey, Jeremy's 6 feet tall.
With a hat on too, so
yeah,
I mean,
and yet today he's wearing a hat. So there is a skylight up there, and I love their shower system.
Love it.
And this is a 30 by 32.
30 by 36.
30 by 36.
Same thing as ours.
Yes. Very little.
Except this is one piece.
It's a one piece, yeah. Very little step up. You've got your heating's going to be down there. Nice storage underneath your sink. Again, not solid surface in here, but
I like that sink.
Very nicely done. There is a mirror. Hi, folks. There's not a medicine cabinet, but you've got open storage there, open storage all the way down here, and then this is going to be designated linen storage. So yes, this one is going to get the golden plunger. Does have a porcelain foot flash toilet. Does have hooks in here. Nice big exhaust fan. And again, guys, if you need anything for cleaning inside the tank, the outside, your roof, if you want drop-ins, check out our description down below. We will have a link to Liquefied, and we will have a 20% coupon for you guys to use. And we would love for you to check them out and see what all they've got.
All right. That's good stuff right there. I don't care who you are. All right, everybody. If you like this Brinkley Model I, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.